Right, in this video, we want to address the topic of subdomains inside of Clickfunnels. So whenever you create your Clickfunnels account, you're going to set up a username, and your username is going to be basically the URL of all of your steps in each of the funnels that you create, and they'll look like this. So my username is Greg Jeffries, so it'll be username.clickfunnels.com/ whatever you decide to name your pages. So that is one instance of subdomains and kind of how it works inside of Clickfunnels. I believe you can change that or set up a different one, but I would reach out to support to do that. Additionally, if you want to have a custom domain that masks your Clickfunnels link that you see here, then you can set that up here under Account Custom Domains. And this is where you'll set up custom domains. You can set these up for like your root domains, for a root domain or of your entire funnel, so that every page in your funnel will be, yourdomain.com / whatever you decide to name a page in that funnel. And here, this is domains, but I believe this also works for subdomains as well. I've never used that myself before, but you can set that up. You should be able to set that up inside either your hosting account or your domain registrar. So but if you need any assistance on that, I would reach out to Clickfunnels support. There may be some help, some information in the help docs under help and then docs here. That's their support, knowledge base. If you can't find your answer to your question there, then I would reach out to their chat, and they should get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. So hopefully that gives you some answer some of your questions. But if it didn't answer all of them, just create an account and reach out to support, and they should be able to answer your questions for you. If you don't already have an account, Clickfunnels does offer a 14-day free trial. There should be a link somewhere on this page to create that account. And if you haven't created an account yet, if you decide to create one through my referral link that you'll find somewhere on this page, what I'm going to throw in as a bonus is my Evergreen Empire membership training. So inside this training, I go over and share with you some simple, scalable, and sustainable marketing strategies that are evergreen, which means they've been around for a while. They're going to last for a while. They're not hypey or BS or overnight, loopholes. And they include list building, product creation, SEO for videos and websites, as well as some paid marketing strategies. So that's what I'm including as a bonus, my way of saying thank you, and also to incentivize you, obviously, to get plugged in to Clickfunnels under my referral link. This is one of my favorite tools, Clickfunnels. I highly recommend it to all levels of marketers. So hopefully you got some value out of this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and you should find the links, again, somewhere on this page to both get plugged into Clickfunnels and also reach out to me to claim that bonus once you do so. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and thanks so much for watching.